Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about stroboscopic effects. This is a bonus topic from rotational motion. A stroboscopic effect is a visual phenomenon caused by aliasing that occurs when continuous motion is represented by a series of short or instantaneous samples. For example, it can be done on any rotating and vibrating objects like an electric fans, washing machines, DC fans, etc. And vibration of a string can be obtained in guitar instrument, and vibration of metal scale. Suppose, on any rotating object, all you have to do is to match the frequency of strobe against the rotation speed. It therefore looks like it stopped. That means the light flashes at each mark of the rotational position. If you have slightly adjusted the flash speed, it appears like it will turn either clockwise or counterclockwise. Suppose, recommended speed of fan is 25 revolutions per second in clockwise direction, and flash speed is 24 flashes per second. What is the direction obtained? It will tend to look like in clockwise direction. If the flash rate is above 25, the direction is therefore counterclockwise. We can also try adjusting the fan speed, but the direction is complement either. You can also try any objects which can be in kinetic source. One more thing. The major disadvantage is the seizure warning. This can cause photosensitive epilepsy for long exposure. The strobe has high contrast of bright and dark pattern, or intensity ranges from 0 to 100%. It may be diagnosed when you have an electroencephalogram or EEG test. So you now know how stroboscopic effect works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.